Learning how to chew. Learning how to use his back teeth, finally. Doing good, Yachty. This was like a month ago or two. That would be gone by the 15-second mark, so this is progress. Crunching that bone, I can hear it. Finally, he's starting to chew. It's better when you can taste your food, isn't it, buddy? I think 2 minutes is a big improvement over 15 seconds. If you watched the last video that I uploaded with him eating raw meat, there was one he just literally gulped, and now he's starting to chew. I think he's starting to realize that when you chew your food, you can actually taste it. Anyway, that was a quick little video just to show his update on his progress with chewing meat.